Hello, pioneers, and welcome back! If you're still holding on to winter, grab your favorite warm drink and snuggle in tight because today we are diving into a beautiful, snowy adventure. We are going to read Winter Wonders by Shahida Suleiman. This amazing book explores all the magical things to do when the snow falls, from building round snowmen to zooming down snowy hills on a fast sled. Are you ready to see what makes this season so special for you and me? Let's turn the page and get reading! Winter Wonders, written by Shahida Suleiman. When winter comes, there's magic to see. It's a season of wonders for you and me. Everyone loves it in their own way. What's your favorite thing about a winter's day? Do you love the snow, soft and white? Do you watch it fall in the quiet night? Does a snowball fight make you laugh and play? Would that be your perfect winter day? Snowflakes are like tiny stars, each one unique. Do you catch them on your mittens to get a better peek? Snow angels, too, are so much fun. You can flap your arms and legs until your angel is done. Do you love to roll the snow so round and build a snowman from the ground? Do you give him a scarf and a grin so wide and feel so proud as you stand by his side? Do you like to slide on a sled so fast down a snowy hill where the winds blast? Do you laugh as you zoom to the bottom below? Is sledding your favorite part of the snow? When your nose gets chilly and your toes feel cold, do you like a warm drink to hold? Hot chocolate, sweet with marshmallows on top. Do you love sipping it until the last drop? Do you love to sit by a fire's warm glow, watching the flames dance high and low? Do you snuggle in with a book to explore as the flames crackle gently and winter winds roar? Do you love to watch movies at night with family close and the tree shining bright? You laugh, sing, and smile ear to ear as favorite stories bring holiday cheer. Do you love to bake holiday treats, warm and yummy, sugary sweets? You can share your cookies, fresh and sweet, with sprinkles and frosting, a joyful treat. Do you love colorful lights that glow so bright, shining through the cold, dark night? Do they warm your heart as you stroll along, with their sparkle and magic so bright and strong? Do you love festival markets with twinkling lights, where treasures and thrills fill the nights? Fresh, hot donuts, a joy to eat, as the smell of winter fills the street. Then comes New Year's Eve, full of delight, with sparkles and cheers as the clock strikes midnight. You can make a wish for the year to come, hoping it's filled with joy and fun. Winter is special, so many things to do, from snowy fun to cozy nights too. Whatever you love, it's easy to see. Winter's magic is meant for you and me. Thank you, pioneers, for joining us as we read Shahida Suleiman's Winter Wonders. As the book reminds us, winter's magic is meant for you and me. We saw so many fun activities, like catching unique snowflakes on our mittens, flapping our arms to make snow angels, and watching the bright New Year's Eve fireworks light up the sky. Now it's your turn. The book asks, what's your favorite thing about a winter day? Do you love laughing during a snowball fight? Baking yummy sugar treats? Or walking through festival markets with twinkling lights? Shahida wrote this story to help support kids' emotional growth in a gentle way and to encourage meaningful conversations between parents and their little ones. If you'd like to learn more about her, you can check out her Instagram, TikTok, or Amazon page. She has other books too. Spring Looks Like This, which I will also be reading later this week. I'll leave the links in the description so you can take a look. I'm so grateful and appreciative to read children's books like Shahida's, so if you have a favorite book you'd like to see on this channel, please send your suggestions to contact@readingpioneers.com. Your support means the world to me and really helps the channel grow. If you enjoyed this read aloud, please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe so you are alerted when Shahida's next read aloud goes public. Also, don't forget to follow Reading Pioneers on Instagram for even more book recommendations and reading inspiration. Unfortunately, this is it for the video. While waiting for the next story, remember to visit Amazon to purchase a copy of Winter Wonders by Shahida Suleiman. Thanks again for joining us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.